Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Ali. Welcome to this video about the ProDentim. So today I'm here to help you guys out and make your lives so much more easier, explaining to you everything you must know about the ProDentim. I want to get you guys into some exclusive infos and important alerts before you start using the ProDentim so you don't have any regrets or complications with it afterwards, alright? Stay tuned and watch this video until the very end. I promise you it's going to be short. And also it's going to be very informative because I will be spilling out everything that you need to know. So for those of you who don't know, the ProDentim has their very own official website, and that is the only place on the internet where you should be getting it from. So of course I'm going to help you guys out, and I'm going to leave ProDentim's official website below this video in the description box. Remember to go there after you finished watching this video. So first of all, you will know everything about it, and then you can go and read more about it over there and check out the cool prices they have as well. All right? So, ProDentim, ProDentim has actually a unique blend of 3.5 billion probiotic strains and nutrients to promote teeth and gum health. So to experience all the ProDentim benefits, all you guys need to do is simply chew on one small tablet every single day. Guys, if you don't have money to go to the dentist because it's too expensive, I know how expensive it is, or do surgeries, or maybe invest in really expensive oral equipment and things like that, that's where the ProDentim comes in. So yes, the ProDentim is an oral supplement, and it's going to help you guys with your whole health, oral health of course, and basically renew it. You're going to have healthier teeth, healthier gums, better breath, of course, and also remove any yellowness from your teeth. So the ProDentim has many benefits. The probiotics in it are extremely important for your teeth and gums, and it is really effective to help restore your oral health and get rid of anything that is damaging the health of your teeth. So your part is basically to chew on one small tablet every single day. Do your treatment correctly. Do not skip out on days. So just like instead of chewing a gum, chew a ProDentim tablet, and it is that simple. All right? You're going to be glad that you did this treatment with the ProDentim, because every man and woman out there who has given it a shot said that their oral health is simply changed for the better, and so far there hasn't been any negative comments about the ProDentim. All right, guys, and also you won't be throwing your money away because it gives you 60 days money back guarantee. So after 60 days of testing the ProDentim, if you are unhappy with it, you can simply ask for a refund on the official website. So they will give you back like every single penny that you spent, and you won't be having to say, oh damn, I lost my money. All right, so if you do want to know more about the ProDentim, visit the official website, read people's feedback to see if you can relate to any stories. The official link is just here. Guys, remember, ProDentim is here to help you out. It's safe, it's natural, and it has no side effects. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Take care and have a beautiful day. Bye.